Okay, y'all, I'm Steve. I got a 2025 Wallke H9 e-bike here that I chose to get the option of the second battery in the frame, which goes up through here, and the connections are right here. When you get the second battery, they do not give you the directions on how to install it. They do send you the new plate with the electrical connections, the battery equalizer, which you have to install, and of course the battery. They do not send you a charger for this battery though, and the one that comes with the H9 e-bike will not charge this. You will have to buy a separate charger that fits this one. So first off, what we have to do is fold your bike and then remove the plate. It's 5 screws. And then you'll see all the wiring inside. And gently pull this out so you can work with it. Okay. So, what we need to unplug is the controller that is in the frame. And you'll see these connections on here. Got to find a connection that goes to this. So, basically, where you unplug the controller, get a little better access to these wires here. It's a little tight in here. Sorry, I know it's a little hard to see what I'm doing exactly. But the plug that you unplugged, plug your equalizer into there. Then you can plug the second plug into your battery. The third plug in here goes to the new plate that they gave to you. That plugs here. That allows your battery to be connected to the bike when the frame is closed. So, you have to find a spot for all this stuff, of course. Now, since the plug is on